Hey, welcome to the shop. Today we're going to go ahead and balance the tire. I'll show you how I do that without any special tools, really. All right, what you're seeing here is my trash can with a nice level lip on it, and I'm using the drawer, has a level lip, and everything is level. That axle is actually level. And what that does, it allows the wheel to move back and forth. Pay no attention to what's in the trash can. All right, so we got the wheel mounted here. Remember, this is the same height as the drawer on the toolbox, just how I'm doing it. This is the axle from the bike, and the tire's not touching anything. What we're gonna do is we're gonna find the heaviest part of this tire. All right, I'm gonna mark it right here with painter's tape. I think that's the lightest side of the tire. Obviously the heaviest side of the tire is down at 6 o'clock. Just gonna turn it, let it sit wherever it sits. So now I got some weights. These are 1/4 ounce. And they got the 3M tape on the back, or sticky tape. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some weight on here with tape. I'm gonna tape it on, because I don't wanna put it on yet, because I don't know how much I need or whatnot. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna start with one. Tape it up to here. And see what that does for me. Right now we're going to put 3 there, and again, see how that affects it. We're going to add 4 weights. And I think that's it. Alright, now that you know where your weights are going to go, take a little bit of rubbing alcohol, wipe it down so they stick, and you put the weights on, peel it off, and you stick the weight on. And that's it. Looks good. I'm happy with that. You want to have 2 flat surfaces that the spindle can actually spin on, because the bearings have too much friction to give you a good static balance. So if you got 2 flat surfaces, whether it's 2 pieces of wood made out of a frame out of wood, it doesn't matter as long as it's level and the spindle is level, and then it can move along the pieces of wood or whatever you're using to hold that up. You should be able to balance it just fine. You can make it, like I said, you can make it out of a frame out of wood, whatever, and just use the axle off the bike. Alright, you all. I hope this helps you out. There's not really much to say here except make sure everything's level. And good luck balancing your tires. Bye-bye. God bless.